In this video, we're going to talk about 5 amazing health benefits of this food right here. Beetroot, commonly called beets. Beets root is a root vegetable. They are known for their earthy flavor and aroma, so make it a habit to include beets into your diet after watching this video to the end. Beets is a rich source of folate, vitamin C, potassium, manganese, vitamin K, copper, fiber, vitamin B6, and so many other nutrients. So what are the health benefits of beets and what is the best way to take it? Number 1, they lower high blood pressure. Beets are naturally high in nitrates, which are turned into nitric oxide in our body. This compound lowers blood pressure, which is a major risk factor for heart disease, by causing the blood vessels to relax and then widen. It significantly lowers the levels of both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. And then again, it can be used to prevent hypertension or high blood pressure. Number 2, beetroot helps reduce the risk of conditions like obesity, heart disease, liver disease, osteoarthritis, and cancer due to its powerful antioxidant compound called betalains. This compound reduces inflammation in the soft tissues, the joints, and fight against cell damage. The next is beet is a good source of fiber, which help you control blood sugar levels, maintain a healthy weight, and lower your cholesterol, and also stay regular to prevent digestive conditions like constipation, inflammatory diseases, diverticulitis, and colon cancer. Then again, taking beetroot helps improve your cardiorespiratory endurance by allowing you to exercise for longer. So it's actually good for the athletes. The nitrate found in beets improve the efficiency of your mitochondria, which are responsible for producing energy in your cells, and also turn into nitric oxide in the body, which in turn increases blood flow. This improves lung function and also strengthens muscle contraction, improving physical performance. Then there's a bonus point here. If you want to improve your sexual performance as a man, or you are suffering from erectile dysfunction, then I can guarantee you that beetroot is among the top-notch vegetables when it comes to improving the sexual performance of a man. And lastly, beets improves brain function. You see, mental and cognitive function naturally decline with age as we get older, which can increase the risk of neurodegenerative disorders like stroke, dementia, Parkinson, or Alzheimer's disease. The nitrate found in beet helps improve brain function by promoting the dilation of blood vessels and thus improving blood flow to the brain. So beet is actually good for you if you don't want to get any of these conditions I mentioned to you as you get older. Now, the best way to take beet will be consuming it raw as part of a salad, or as a juice, or as a dip in a yogurt or some other drink. It can also be roasted under low heat or powdered, but make sure you inform your doctor first before you take beetroot if you are at risk of developing kidney stones. Alright, thanks for watching, and I hope I convinced you enough to add beets into your diet. And don't forget to give us a like and share this with all your loved ones, and I will see you in the next video. Hey, always remember that God wants you healthy. Your health, your life. God bless you.